Wondering how to add a LinkedIn event to your calendar if you're using an Apple device. Hey, this is Brenda Meller, and I just got this question sent to me, and I decided to do a quick video to walk you through the steps how. Now, what I'm referring to here is a LinkedIn event, something that you found on LinkedIn. You may notice that after you register for an event, you'll get an option to add to your calendar. Now, if you click on that drop down, you're going to see that right now LinkedIn only has three options: Google, Outlook, and Yahoo. Now, what if you use iCalendar? It's not an option that's in here. So here's what I recommend that you do. First thing on the event page, grab the URL in the top. In here, it says linkedin.com/events slash etc. So that's the event URL for the day of the event. The next thing you'll want to do is open your calendar. Now, I am using Google Calendar, but this would still work with your iCalendar as well. Go into the day that the event will be held. Now, this is manual, but it'll still get to the point of adding it to your calendar. Go into the day of the event that will be held, click on the time that the event will be held. And what I'm going to do here is just click on the 9 a.m. hour here. And I'm just going to put LinkedIn event, and then I'll paste the URL either in the title field, or if you have a description field or a link field, wherever you need to put it. But just make sure that you have both the name of the event as well as the URL, because I don't know about you, sometimes I forget. I'll come back later and say, what's this event that I added to my calendar and I can't find it? So what I like to do is put both the URL link as well as the description and then click on save. And that's it. Now it will be loaded in your calendar. Even though LinkedIn hasn't gotten around to add that iCalendar on there, maybe somebody from LinkedIn might be watching and they'll get that added soon. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel and maybe consider sharing this with another iCalendar user as well. Thank you for watching. That's it. There's nothing more. Have a good one. Thanks.